Mastering phrasal verbs. Let's come together. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're focusing on a fascinating part of English language, phrasal verbs, specifically, the ones with come. If you've been finding these a bit challenging, don't worry. Together, we'll come through it and you'll come across many ways to use these verbs effectively. So, let's dive right in. Before we start with the exercises, let's have a quick recap. Remember, phrasal verbs are combinations of words that act as a verb and they often have unique meanings. Come is one of those English verbs that can be used in numerous phrasal verbs, such as come across, come up with, come by, come around, and many more. Now it's time to put your knowledge to the test with some sentence creation exercises. I'm going to give you a phrasal verb, and I want you to create a sentence using that verb. Remember, context is key, and make sure the sentence makes sense. 1. Come across, to find or discover, usually by chance or accident. 2. Come up with, to suggest or think of an idea or plan. 3. Come by, to get or obtain something. 4. Come around, to change one's opinion or decision. Take a moment, pause the video if you need to, and create your sentences. Fantastic job on those exercises. Now let's look at some example sentences I've come up with. 1. Come across. I came across an old photo of us while cleaning the attic. 2. Come up with. We need to come up with a solution to this problem soon. 3. Come by. It's not easy to come by a job in this economy. 4. Come around. She was hesitant at first, but she finally came around to the idea of backpacking across Europe. Remember, the best way to master phrasal verbs is by practice and repetition. So try to use these phrasal verbs in your daily conversations. And that wraps up our lesson on come, phrasal verbs. I hope this video helps you come to terms with these interesting elements of English language. Keep practicing and soon, they will come naturally to you. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Happy learning and see you next time.